After unpacking, take out the grill, rotate the upper lid latch to unlock, and take out the accessories from inside the grill. Turn the grill upside down on a tabletop. Install the 4 support legs and the ashtray. Place the grill upright on a table. Insert the ashtray and place the water tray. Attach the mica gasket to the handle. First, stick the double-sided adhesive tape to the handle. Then attach the mica gasket, ensuring it is pressed firmly to avoid detachment. Install the upper lid handle. Fit the lower section of the hopper into the upper section and push it firmly until you hear a click sound. Check whether the 2 spring protrusions are properly engaged. Insta-LL the hopper bracket. Remove the pellet blocker plate. Attach the hopper to the feeding port on the left side of the grill. Place the flame broiler plate, cooking grid, and the upper cooking rack. Check the placement of the grease collections box. Press the button to check the power level, and then insert the battery. Open the hopper's pellet blocker plate, pour in dry, all-natural hardwood pellet fuel, and close the hopper lid securely. Insert the meat probe into the thickest part of the food and plug the connector into the panel socket. When using pellets from other brands, place the gasket into the combustion chamber to prevent ash buildup and temperature issues.